Hello teachers and students. In this video I will explain how this ChatGPT is useful for the students. So in our previous videos I have explained how it is useful for the teachers. In this video my focus is how this amazing tool can be used by students to improve their learning levels. You all know that faculty, teachers, you all know that when students can't understand a topic in a classroom, so they don't show interest of learning that particular subject. So that is the main reason for many students not showing interest of learning a particular subject, whether it is a chemistry, physics, any subject, biology, any subject. So in this video I will show you how this tool assists the students to understand a particular topic. So for example, I will show you how to learn about DNA mutations. Suppose the topic name is DNA mutations. How students can use this ChatGPT and learn on their own about the DNA mutations. So for that matter, students can learn any topic which is not known to them, and if they understand that concept of a topic, definitely the student remember that topic, and he will reproduce in the exam. Because they are unable to understand it in the classroom, they are failed to remember and they are failed to reproduce in the exam. Now let me show you how students can use this ChatGPT, how this assists the student to learn by his own or by her own to improve their learning levels. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇక డిఎన్ఏ మ్యుటేషన్స్ అనేటువంటి ఒక టాపిక్ తీసుకుందాం, ఆర్ వి టేక్ photosynthesis, or you can take any topic like that. In this video I will show you how we can use this ChatGPT to learn a particular topic. See, for example, ఇక డిఎన్ఏ మ్యుటేషన్స్. సో డిఎన్ఏ మ్యుటేషన్స్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి ఇక ChatGPTని మనం యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఐఎమ్ టైపింగ్ explain DNA mutations, or we can ask a DNA replication rather than DNA mutation. I'm asking ChatGPT to explain DNA replication, and ChatGPT is explaining as the DNA replication. See, ఇక DNA రెప్లికేషన్కి సంబంధించి సో కంప్లీట్ యొక్క ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇది ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తుంది. సపోజ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసినటువంటి జనరేట్ చేసినటువంటి ఒక కంటెంట్ అనేటువంటిది కెనాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ స్టిల్ ద కంటెంట్ దట్ ఈస్ ప్రొడ్యూస్డ్ బై దిస్ ChatGPT. యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ అగైన్ ద సేమ్ ChatGPT టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద DNA replication in simple terms. Explain DNA replication in simple terms. He learn some words like DNA polymerase, and he can learn here see proofreading, priming, see primase. See, what if student doesn't know what is primase, and he doesn't know what is the function of this primase and all, so in such case he can again ask the ChatGPT, what is the role of ప్రైమేస్ ఇన్ రెప్లికేషన్. సో ఈ విధంగా స్టూడెంట్ ఒక టాపిక్ మీద కంటిన్యూటీ అనేటువంటిది ఉంటుంది. సో హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ ChatGPT is explaining as the role of primase. The role of primase is to add short RNA primers to the DNA strand to provide a strong starting point for DNA polymerase, which adds new nucleotides to the growing strand. Primase is an enzyme that synthesizes short RNA primer that are complementary to the DNA template strand. These primers provide starting point for DNA polymerase to add new nucleotides and extend the DNA strand. Primase is required because DNA polymerase can only add nucleotides to an existing strand it cannot insert the synthesis on new strand. Once the RNA primer has been added by primase, DNA polymerase can then extend the RNA primer by adding new nucleotides in a sequence that is complementary to the template strand. RNA primer is eventually replaced by dual nucleotides, and the completed DNA strand is an exact copy of the original template strand. సో ప్రతి ఒక్క అంశాన్ని గురించి కూడా సో డీప్గా స్టూడెంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోవడానికి, సో దట్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ టాపిక్ కెన్ బి అండర్స్టాండ్ బై ది స్టూడెంట్. సో ఊరికనే ఇక కంటెంట్ అంతా కూడా మగప్ చేయకుండా, సో ఈచ్ లైన్ బై లైన్ he can understand by using this ChatGPT. So in classroom, students may not get they may not show interest to ask the questions because of many reasons, because of shyness or some other reasons. They don't show any interest to ask questions to the teacher who is explaining the concept to him, or so such students, they can use this ChatGPT. Even students who have much interest in learning the concepts, they can also use this ChatGPT, and they can improve their learning levels with the help of this ChatGPT. So even while writing in the examination also, if they see how this ChatGPT is explaining something, so they will also learn from this ChatGPT what should be written first and what should be written the next, and like that. So finally, how we have to close, or how we have to give a conclusion for a టాపిక్. సో స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి సో తర్వాత కంక్లూజన్ వరకు కూడా ఏ విధంగా తీసుకెళ్ళాలి ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేటువంటిది కూడా దే విల్ లర్న్ ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రాసెస్. సో ఇది చాలా విధాలుగా ఇక స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఉపయోగపడుతుందని మాత్రం ఐ కెన్ క్లియర్లీ సే. సో థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో.